So guys, this is my trading view account where I publish a lot of good ideas. I will share the link of this profile in my description. So what we publish here is levels for Bank Nifty, as you can see. So let me show you how our recent levels are working or how they worked. So this is uh, yeah, so just check these Bank Nifty levels that we publish on 3 May, which were valid for 10th of May. So once you click it, you have to click over here. So all the later candles will come. So just click on load new bars. As you can see, this is 15-minute chart. So we had published these levels when on this 3rd of May. So on the next candle itself, uh, the uh, the Bank Nifty has worked exactly on these levels and took a resistance around our levels. As you can see, once it crossed, it went to the next level. As you can see, reversal happened. It took the resistance over here, and once it's broken, it reached here, took reversal, then went till this level, and even uh, touch this level. Absolutely, see how perfectly it works. So this level, this level, this level work really perfectly. Okay, let's check LNT. So this is a 1 day time frame, and if we load new bars, you can see it exactly taking resistance at this level and at this level and working perfectly as per our levels. Check out the levels for the Nifty. This is 15-minute time frame. As you can see, you can zoom in, zoom out, right? So exactly once it closed above, it stayed above. Target 1 is achieved, target 2 is achieved. Then again when it closed above but did not manage to go 50% of these two levels, so it started reversing back, and when it closed below, we should start selling it, and we got first target and 1.5th target, 50% of these two levels. When it reversed above, gave good closing above this level, it again next day opened over here, so achieved two levels target and half of these levels, so 2.5 per times 2.5 levels target achieved. Then it took resistance from 50% of levels and again 50% of these two levels and reverts. When it reverts, it will definitely give two levels target. So first target achieved, again it closed above on second target achieved, and stock went keep going above our levels, and even this level uh, target of this level achieved. Okay, so levels work really well. You just need to use other indicators with these levels, and you can easily know where should be your targets, where should be your stop loss, when you should be exiting any trade, and should look for any reversal strategy. Okay, we also publish Bitcoin levels. Let's see how they performed. See how beautifully our levels work. So once it closed above this level, it touched this level, and also tried to touch the next level, but first target and 1.5 levels of target achieved. When it reversed, we should have shorted over here or here. We got two levels target really easily. Then again, when it closed above, it is trying to go upside now to touch this level, but it is continuously no, it's yeah, it will touch this target soon. So let's check other levels as well. Then Facebook is there, Adani Power, then Reliance, TCS. Let's see how TCS worked. Look how perfectly it works. So we published these levels here. Then when it closed above this level, it gave 1, 2 targets pretty well. Then when it reversed, it gave 1, 2 targets really well, and even third target here. And again it reversed, gave first target. You need to understand how these levels work. You will need a few days of experience. Even in history, if you check it, it will show you how these levels are working really well. If you want to know the levels of any of your stocks or recommendation, do post comment. I will surely make video on it, will surely make levels and publish on this profile on TradingView. I would highly recommend you to open account on TradingView. If you don't have one, I will share the link below in the description. So uh, do check it out. Do subscribe to my this channel, and do subscribe to this profile on TradingView as well. Okay, so that whenever I will publish any ideas, you will get notification. One more thing, very important thing, I will be giving you scripts made by me. I have made lot of scripts which are not shown here, but if you want to see them, let me show you how they looks. So look at this. So this is my RKK Ultimate Secret. This is one of the best trading the trade secret indicator I have been using this for very long time. Look at this. When this gave buy signal, look at the rally of DLF. It gave buy signal at around 141, around this, plus this also gave a buy signal. So if we had entered at even 160, look at the target 320. So it doubled our money within 26 October till March. Okay, it's working really well. It gives buy sell signal perfectly. So entry exits are working pretty fine. Then I'll show you how many indicators I have created. So look at this, really long list of indicators are there, and I will be giving you lot of them free of cost, but I want you to like my videos and uh, make my channel reach to 100 subscribers. Then I will start giving you free indicators for all my subscribers. Okay, bye, see you.